Unlock guaranteed discount on Moneyview processing fee. Hey everyone, are you looking for a personal loan but worried about processing fees? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to get a guaranteed discount on Moneyview's processing fee. First-time users only. This offer is exclusive to first-time Moneyview users. If you haven't signed up yet, you are in luck. You can get a 100% guaranteed discount on the processing fee using a special referral link. But there's a catch. To unlock the discount, you need to follow Moneyview's recommended guidelines. Don't skip this step. Don't waste your time searching for expiring codes. Moneyview referral codes don't expire. However, using the correct referral link is crucial. The secret to saving. Here's the key. You need to install the Moneyview app using our special referral link before applying for the loan and entering the promo code. Show referral link on screen. Mistake alert. If you already downloaded the app directly and are now looking for a code, the code won't work. You need to start fresh. Solution for existing app users. If you've already installed the app directly, don't worry. Simply uninstall it and use the referral link in the comments below to reinstall. It's that easy. Get your Moneyview discount now. Remember, for a guaranteed discount, download the Moneyview app using the referral link in the comments below. We'll also include the referral code at the end of the video for your convenience. Show referral link and code on screen. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and secure your loan with the lowest possible processing fee. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Click the link in the description.